Let's go with you. Huh. You might want to back up.
Did you get it?
No, I'm filming the plow.
Yeah. I was pretty impressed that I got it.
I couldn't believe it. Well, that shows the horsepower of a V8 engine. Hey. I'm just filming the plow, cleaning up the coldssac.
Did you just get them out?
No, the plow didn't help. Dad just got in the truck, gunned the engine, and he got out of there all right. What?
It'd be nice if these guys would clear the inverter.
Well, it seems like, this is what I think. I think the snowplow drivers care more about keeping the roads clear than helping a citizen, and that's why I think they're dicks. I mean, that's kind of... I mean, look, this is how I would do it. If I was a DOT worker and I saw you stuck in the ditch,
He's not a DOT worker, he's a private contractor.
private contract worker, I would, if I saw you stuck in the snow, I'd get you out. I'd be nice. But these guys don't care. Yeah, there it goes. Not even in the cul-de-sac. I know I should have thrown gloves on before I did this. It's basically one of these trucks, only minus the cab. It's got a huge drawbar on the front and basically a whole giant wing on the side. Later on, when we go back to the side, I'll pull the video up to show you of the tow plow in action. It's a pretty cool machine. I'll stick around and film a little more. Never mind. Show you the action cam to some trees. It's cold out here. I'm good. I'm not freezing to death.